Wow! Kakaibang magic ng isang Mac.
Yummy? Goody. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come.
So, side, both moving side, and then the body back. Yes. And back. So, coming from...
O, pinakamataas na, mga boys.
Para lang mag-get.
Feel na niya. And, angat dahan.
Sabihin mo lang Kath if hold.
O, jump shot. Gusto mo yan, ha? Last position.
Okay, so the reason why I want to get trap dogs kasi I am not really that confident sa traps ko. I think they're too big sa small figure ko. It makes my neck short. Nakaka-release din siya ng tension from your muscles. Yun yung use ng Botox. Hindi siya masakit. Kung i-rate ko siya, nasa 5 lang siguro siya out of 10. I'm so excited for the results. Pero since this is Botox, para makita yung full result niya, kailangan natin mag-wait ng 2 weeks. Pero I'm really excited. Yay! Bitaw na!
Hanggang dito sa dressing room.
Na.
Napaka-supportive naman.
Bye, Baxter!
Bye!
Let's go, Kimi!
Ba talaga yung bestie ko? Galingan niya to May palakpakan naman dyan para kay Darren, everybody! Hyper!
Yay!
One! Pizza!
Salamat, Dusty. May bisita po ako sa BTR shoot.
Kanina, nag-kimchi prod siya.
Oo, may upuan.
Well, alam mo naman yung creative consultant.
Ah.
Hey, Paolo!
Ayaw nga.
Birthday, tita! Love you so much. Tita, anong gagawin ko para mapatawad mo?
It's okay, they finished it.
Tama ba yun?
Napuubos na. Ikaw talaga, huwag na ibalik.
Iris na, di ba, Tina? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Abi, hindi ka na. Coming!